We're focusing on the hydrosphere today. What percentage of Earth's fresh water is available and safe to drink? Talk about it for a few minutes, and then I'm gonna ask your questions. Middle schoolers are kind of all over the place. From the beginning of the year, I've been looking for some type of learning platform where the kids can stay super organized, and using some other curriculums that either the school, colleagues, the state of New Jersey has suggested, all good curriculums, but the way to deliver them to the students where they can stay organized has been my challenge. The water on the wax paper represents fresh water that is safe for drinking. What does this make you wonder? Talk about that for a minute.
How much water we actually have.
Like, not a lot at all.
I didn't realize.
Yeah, I didn't realize it.
So it just gets less salty and then it just...
Oh yeah, because it regenerates. So then
When I first looked at Stile, I needed to make sure that it was aligned with NJSLS. I went through every single lesson in Stile, ensured that it aligned with NJSLS. If a lesson isn't exactly where I want it, I simply take it and move it. It works perfectly for New Jersey and New Jersey's curriculum. I went from going home every day and working for hours planning the next day's lessons or grading papers to maybe spending a total of about an hour a day, because it's so organized and so planned out. Continuing our lesson on biodiversity and bees. Today we're gonna do a little research project. So I want y'all to stop what you're doing and focus on the smart board. I use the pause button a lot so I can keep leading discussion. It really hones them in on the conversations we're having. The videos that are included in Stile for the visual learners are amazing. The labs that are built into Stile are quality, and they're also simple enough for the students to get out of it what you need them to get out of it, the learning process.
Great labs that pique my interest, taking concepts that might be harder to understand and breaking them down to simple things.
I can easily access all the lessons, and it's really organized. It gives you a different amount of ways to help you understand, by making models and doing written answers.
My favorite part about Stile is how it's easy to access at home, and there are a lot of tools that can help you study for your test.
When they get a question wrong, it doesn't just say you're wrong, they have the feedback that tells them why the question was incorrect. And so there's more learning when they answer questions wrong, and that's built right into Stile. I end every day by going through the analyze. It's a quick glance at what they didn't get, and I start my next day with going over those things that may not have been learned properly by using the analyze tab. Stile will make your life as a teacher so much easier. It will make your workload less, and it'll give your students a quality education.